And then we're going to show you the tank. As you can see, it's a standard, and that's all I can see that it says. I haven't seen any dates. Has a newer flapper on the original flush valve, I believe, and a 400A, which seems a little gummed up. I moved it, now it's getting a little less stiff. Not sure if it would move easy enough to float in the water, though. I think the environment has gummed up that fill valve. It's probably been left outside. We also have a tank lid, which is a standard. And it has a date on it of October 1932. Very old toilet. The other toilet, the Belmont of Trenton, that one might also be from 1930. I'll show you what the tank looks like. This is a standard Modernus tank, standard 450 tank. But this is not a standard, I don't think this is a standard bowl though.